Hi, in today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to edit your video on YouTube Studio. So all you need to do, just go to any browser you are currently using, then go here to the URL, type youtube.com, then hit the enter button. So here, after opening the YouTube, that will actually be your home screen. All you need now is just to go here to your icon at the top right corner, then click add your channel. Of course, if you never actually upload a video, all you need to do, just go upload your video. But if you did, all you need to do, just go and click at your videos and click at the video that you want to edit. Here, all you need to do, just go and click at edit videos here, video, and that will actually take you into YouTube Studio. So here, if you want to edit your video, all you need to do, just go here to the left and click at editor. As you can see here, edit and apply elements on a timeline, click at get started, and as you can see that here your option to edit your video. So you can actually, like, let's just click at trim and cut, and let's just actually like do this, or let me just like let's see what to do here. Okay, let's just cut the video. So we actually have here 2-second, I guess, yeah, 2-second videos. So let me just make it smaller, or let me just, okay, so let me just cut it from here. And as you can see, I can just go and click on save. So as you can see here, it might take a few hours for your change to apply. During that time, viewer will see the current version of video. You won't be able to make other changes to on video. The original video on your video will be stored so you can undo your edits. While you wait, you can leave this sit. Of course, you can just go click on save, and videos being processed, please check back later. So you will be good to go and you will be able to leave, and the video actually will be like uploaded with the new edits. So that's all actually for the tutorial. I hope you like it. Thanks for watching and goodbye.